Hi, today we learn how to install macOS on VirtualBox. Perfect if you want to try macOS without partitioning or using another device. So step 1, download macOS image. Now we need to get the macOS image file. This is the ISO or DMG file. You can download macOS from the App Store kung may Apple ID ka. Or you can get a pre-made macOS image from a trusted source online. Be sure to get the right version ng macOS na gusto mong i-install. So for this tutorial, magda-download tayo ng macOS Big Sur ISO. Once you have the file, make sure to remember the location kasi gagamitin natin yan mamaya. But before that, let's move to the most important step. We will disable Windows -B, press the window logo key and search for isolation and disable memory integrity. On your command, as admin, I will provide the command prompt description below. After ma-run yung command, restart ang PC or laptop. Step 2, create a new virtual machine in VirtualBox. Now let's create a new virtual machine. Open VirtualBox and click New. Type in a name for your VM like macOS, then choose macOS X as the operating system. And select the version that matches the macOS you're installing. For example, kung Big Sur, choose macOS X 64-bit, click Next. Next, allocate memory. I recommend at least 4 GB pero kung mas marami kang RAM, pwede mo pang taasan. Click Next. Again. Step 3, create virtual hard disk. Now let's create a virtual hard disk. Choose create a virtual hard disk now. Then click Next. So mag-allocate lang siya ng space kapag kailangan. Set the size to at least 60 GB. Then click Next. Then finish the creating of virtual machine. Step 4, adjust settings for macOS. Alright, before we start the virtual machine, we will tweak our settings first. Follow the steps. Bago i-start ang virtual machine, open command prompt tapos run as administrator. Then, run the script. Step 5, start the virtual machine. Okay, now, it's time to start the virtual machine. Click Start to launch the VM. Makikita mo yung boot screen ng macOS. Kung magka-error, don't panic. We just need to adjust some settings pero let it boot and wait for it to load. So, step 6 na po. Install macOS. Now, let's proceed with the installation. Once booted, you'll see the macOS utilities screen. From here, click this utility and choose your virtual hard drive. And click Erase to format it. After formatting, close this utility and then Select Install macOS Big Sur. Just follow the on-screen instruction and let it install. This will take a while, so relax lang pagtapos na mag-reboot yung VM. So this is the last step. Set up macOS. After the reboot, macOS will ask you to set up your new system. Go through the setup wizard, choose your region, language, and set up your Apple ID kung may Apple account ka na. Once you're done, congratulations, you now have macOS running on VirtualBox. And that's it. Congratulations, you now have macOS running on VirtualBox. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching.